Are you considering using Easyship for your dropshipping business? Here are 12 things you need to know before you commit, especially if you're comparing it to other platforms like ShipBob or ShipHero. By the end of this video, you'll have a better idea of whether Easyship is the right choice for your needs. First thing, Easyship offers a wide range of global shipping options. This is one of its strongest selling points. With over 250 carriers, you can reach customers almost anywhere, which is perfect for international dropshipping. But compared to competitors, Easyship's global reach is definitely its top feature. Next thing, Easyship has an easy-to-use interface. Setting up your account and linking it with your store is simple, making it beginner-friendly. However, some users have reported that the dashboard can get a bit overwhelming as you scale, especially when dealing with multiple shipments or orders at once. Competitors like ShipBob offer a more streamlined interface for larger operations, so it's worth considering if you expect fast growth. The third thing to note is pricing. Easyship has a pay-as-you-go pricing model, which can be great for smaller businesses or those just starting out. You won't be locked into monthly fees, but depending on your shipping volume, this can add up quickly. If you're looking for flat rate or subscription-based pricing, you may want to look into alternatives like ShipHero, which offers more predictable pricing. The fourth thing is automation features. Easyship integrates with major e-commerce platforms, automating the shipping process and syncing your orders automatically. However, if you need advanced automation rules, this might not be enough. In comparison, platforms like ShipBob offer more customizable workflows for established businesses. Next thing, Easyship's tracking system is pretty robust. It provides real-time updates and notifications to customers, which helps reduce inquiries about order status. But keep in mind that not all carriers may provide the same level of tracking information, which can occasionally create gaps in visibility. This is something to keep in mind when comparing it to more premium options like ShipHero that have better tracking consistency. The sixth thing is international customs management. Easyship offers a customs documentation feature that helps simplify international shipping, but navigating customs regulations can still be tricky. For businesses doing a lot of international shipping, services like ShipBob might provide more in-depth support on this front. The seventh thing is packaging options. Easyship offers a variety of packaging choices, but some users report that the selection could be more diverse. If packaging customization is a high priority for your brand, competitors like ShipStation offer more choices in terms of branded packaging. Next up, Easyship's customer support is solid. They provide 24/7 support via chat and email, which is a huge plus. However, response times can vary, and for more urgent issues, this might be a drawback. Some competitors have a reputation for quicker resolution times, so it's worth considering your level of support needs. The ninth thing is integrations. Easyship works seamlessly with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and eBay, but some users report challenges when integrating with custom-built stores or niche platforms. If you're using an unconventional platform, you may encounter limitations compared to more flexible systems like ShipHero. The 10th thing is cost savings through discounts. Easyship gives you access to discounted shipping rates with its carrier partners. While this is great, it's important to know that the level of discount depends on your shipping volume. If you're just starting out, the savings might not be as significant compared to competitors with bulk discounts, like ShipBob. The 11th thing to consider is warehouse storage. Easyship doesn't offer warehousing services, so if you plan on storing products for faster fulfillment, this might be a deal breaker. If storage is important to you, ShipBob provides warehousing and order fulfillment under one roof, which could be more convenient. And lastly, Easyship's scalability. As your business grows, Easyship can accommodate increased order volume, but it might not be as customizable or efficient as other fulfillment services like ShipHero, which is specifically designed for higher volume businesses. So, is Easyship a good option? Absolutely. It's an affordable, accessible solution for international shipping with some great features. But if you're looking for more customization, faster support, or better scalability, you might want to explore other options. For a better alternative that offers a free trial, check out our recommended solution, which could better fit your business needs.